Are you struggling to your belly fats? Today, I want to share some effective ways on how to lose your belly fats and how to gain this result. Are you ready, guys? There are 10 effective ways on how to lose belly fats fast and gain a sexier body. Belly fat makes you feel inconvenient when your clothes feel tight. This type of fat, referred to as visceral fat, is a major risk factor for type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other conditions. Though losing fat from this area can be difficult, there are several things you can do to reduce excess abdominal fat. And here are 10 effective ways on how to lose belly fats fast. Number 1 is eat foods that are rich in fiber. Soluble fiber absorbs water and forms a gel that helps slow down food as it passes through your digestive system. Study shows that this type of fiber promotes weight loss by helping you feel full, so you naturally eat less. It may also decrease the number of calories in your body absorbs from food. And what's more, soluble fiber may help fight belly fats. Soluble fiber may help you lose weight by increasing fullness and reducing calorie absorption. You must try to include plenty of high fiber foods in your weight loss diet. Number 2 is avoid foods that contain trans fats that are created by pumping hydrogen into unsaturated fats such as soybean oil. They are found in some margarines and spreads and also often added to packaged foods. These fats have been linked to inflammation, heart disease, insulin resistance, and abdominal fat gain in observational and animal studies. And to learn reduce belly fat and protect your health, read ingredients labels carefully and avoid products that contain trans fats. These are often listed as partially hydrogenated fats. Some studies have linked a high intake of trans fat with increased belly fat gain. Whether or not you are trying to lose weight, limiting your intake of trans fat is a good idea. Number 3 is reduce your stress levels. Do you know that stress can make you gain belly fat by triggering the adrenal glands to produce cortisol, also known as the stress hormone? Research shows that high cortisol levels increase appetite and drive abdominal fat storage. And also women who already have a large waist tend to produce more cortisol in response to stress. Increased cortisol further adds to fat gain around the middle. To help reduce belly fat, engage in pleasurable activities that relieve stress. Attending church fellowships and bonding with close friends can be effective methods. Stress may promote fat gain around your waist. Reducing stress should be one of your priorities if you're trying to lose weight. Number 4 is eat less sugary foods. Sugar contains fructose, which has been linked to several chronic diseases when consumed in excess. And these include heart disease, type 2 diabetes, obesity, and fatty liver disease. Some dietary studies show a relationship between high sugar intake and increased abdominal fat. Sugary beverages appear to be even worse than high sugar foods. To lose belly fat, it's best to completely avoid sugar-sweetened beverages such as soda, punch, and sweet tea, as well as alcoholic mixers containing sugar. Avoid drinking fruit juice as well, because it is also high in sugar as soda and other drinking beverages. Drinking large amounts may carry the same risk of abdominal fat gain. And to help reduce excess belly fat, replace fruit juice with water, unsweetened iced tea or sparkling water with a wedge of lemon or lime. We have to realize that more than just refined sugar can lead to belly fat gain. Even healthier sugars such as real honey should be used sparingly, because uncontrolled sugar intake is a major cause of weight gain in many people. Number 5 is do walking, jogging, or cardio exercise every other day. Aerobic exercise in cardio is an effective way to improve your health, and the studies also show that it's one of the most effective forms of exercise for reducing belly fat. However, results are mixed as to whether moderate intensity or high intensity exercise is more beneficial. In any case, the frequency and duration of your exercise program are more important than its intensity. Some studies found that postmenopausal women lost more fat from all areas when they did aerobic exercise for 250 minutes per week compared to those who exercise 100 minutes per week. Aerobic exercise is an effective weight loss method. Studies suggest it's particularly effective in slimming your waistline. Number 6 is cut back on carbs, especially refined carbs. Lessen your carb intake can be very beneficial for losing fat, including abdominal fat. You don't have to follow a strict low-carb diet. Some research suggests that simply replacing refined carbs with unprocessed turkey carb may improve metabolic health. Consider reducing your carb intake or replacing refined carb in your diet with healthy carb sources such as whole grains, legumes, or vegetables. Number 7 is in your cooking, use coconut oil is one of the healthiest fats you can eat. Some studies show that the medium-chain fats in coconut oil may boost metabolism and decrease the amount of fat you store in response to high-calorie intake. And controlled studies suggest it may also lead to abdominal fat loss. In one study, obese men who took coconut oil daily for 12 weeks lost an average 1.1 inches from their waist without unintentionally changing their diets or exercise routines. To boost belly fat loss, it's best to take about 2 tablespoons, which means 30 ml of coconut oil per day, which is the amount used in the most of the studies reporting good results. Coconut oil is still high in calories, but instead of adding extra fat to your diet, replace some of the fats you're already eating with coconut oil. Studies suggest that using coconut oil instead of cooking oils may help reduce abdominal fat. Number 8 is get plenty of restful sleep. Sleep is important for many aspects of your health, including weight. Studies show that people who don't get enough sleep tend to gain more weight, which may include belly fat. A 16-year study in more than 68,000 women found that those who slept less than 5 hours per night were significantly more likely to gain weight than those who slept 7 hours or more per night. The condition known as sleep apnea, where breathing stops intermittently during the night, has also been linked to excess visceral fat. In addition to sleeping at least 7 hours per night, make sure you're getting sufficient quality sleep. If you suspect you may have sleep apnea or another sleep disorder, speak to a doctor and get treated, because sleep deprivation is linked to an increased risk of weight gain. Getting enough high-quality sleep should be one of your main priorities if you plan to lose weight and improve your health. But there is a warning: never go to sleeping when you're just through with your meals or glutted. Number 9 is apply apple cider vinegar to your diet drinking. Because apple cider vinegar has impressive health benefits, including lowering blood sugar levels. It contains acetic acid, which has been shown to reduce abdominal fat storage in several animal studies. In a 12-week controlled study in obese men, those who took 1 tablespoon, which is 15 ml of apple cider vinegar per day, lost half an inch from their waist. Taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per day is safe for most people and may lead to modest fat loss. However, be sure to dilute it with water, as undiluted vinegar can erode the enamel on your teeth. But apple cider vinegar may help you lose some weight. Number 10 is drink green tea. Green tea is an exceptionally healthy beverage. The effect may be strengthened when green tea consumption is combined with exercise. Consistent drinking tea has been linked to weight loss, though it's probably not effective on its own and best combined with exercise. I hope you learned from these 10 effective ways on how to lose belly fats fast. From this figure, turn out to this amazing body figure. Consider like, share, comments, and subscribe, guys. Thank you for watching. God bless you.